Good morning, YouTubers. T-Square with T-Square Talk. So I am over here checking on the baby chicks again, and as you can see, she hatched out 2. She is still sitting on, I think she's still sitting on 1 egg.
Yeah, several eggs.
Still sitting on a couple eggs, but these were the first 2 to come out. We're throwing in some little crumbled up food. It's special food. It's called crumble. It's basically crushed really small just for them. And as you can see, the mom's gonna peck a little bit, that way they'll know that that's what it is, food. In this case, basically the mom is teaching them everything that they need to know. I was just talking to someone about this. Basically, some people say that when they're raised by the mom, they actually grow quicker, as opposed to if you've raised them yourself. But they are just so cute and fun to watch. Wow. But we'll have our own here pretty soon too. Boy, they are tiny. And they're already, if they get cold, we were just talking about these two, when they get cold, they'll actually get right up under the mom, like at night. And hopefully the mom don't eat all their food. Will the mom hit me? I don't want to keep them away too long. Everybody will eat all the food up. Well guys, I hope you guys liked the video. It was just a little short clip. Like I said before, they're not mine. I just kind of come over here and get the eggs and really wanted to see that they would... Oh, did you just see them crawling? Oh, they both... Nah, they just crawled under there. I don't want to go under there. Did you see her snap at me? I kind of wanted to slip this under there and see what it looked like underneath. Oh well. No, I wanted to see if maybe the camera would slip under there with them. She actually has it, it's all hollow. Basically, she's up off the ground a little bit. And you can kind of, they just slip in and out of there at night whenever they get skittish. So, I thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys again on T-Square Talk. Take care, guys.